Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a simple DIY. It's a little country farmhouse lamp. I'm going to show you the items that you'll need. You're going to need some spray paint. I use the Rust-Oleum gloss white. Then you're going to need one of the wire trash baskets from Dollar Tree. And the next thing you'll need will be some of the burlap ribbon. I have the burlap with the lace on it. You'll just need one roll of that. And the last thing you'll need will be a lamp. I've had this one for quite some time. I bought it at a thrift store years ago. I recently painted it white to go in my bedroom, but today I'm going to bring it in my kitchen and just make a cute little country lamp out of it. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing you're going to want to do is spray paint the wastebasket. My husband wanted to paint it for me, so of course I let him. But all you do is paint your basket, cover it, and then allow it to dry. Once your trash can is dry, take your burlap ribbon. We're going to open that up. So we can get it open here. Then we're going to measure to make a bow to go around the base of the lamp, or the lampshade. Okay. Just take your ribbon. Just measure your ribbon and cut. You have your piece to start your bow. We're going to hot glue this one here. Okay, dab a little of your hot glue right here at the edge, and wrap your ribbon around. And split bow. And straighten out your ribbon. Oh, it just looks like an old-fashioned little bonnet back in the day. It's so cute. But that's the beginning of your bow. Okay, I'm just going to make a simple bow. If you can't make one, I'm sure you can buy a little burlap ribbon, but I'm not going to make anything really too awful big, but just your regular little bow. This is so cute. I think it's going to be really adorable once it's finished. It's been really simple too. I love simple and easy DIYs. And inexpensive. It's relatively inexpensive also. The total cost, my lamp was already here, so I basically don't even have to count it, but basically the only cost you have is the ribbon and the trash can, so $2 to do a little farmhouse style lamp. But like I said, I'm just going to make a simple little bow. My bow making skills are not the best, so please bear with me. Okay, I'm going to cut a little piece of wool wire. And actually, I think I'm going to do a three loop ribbon. That may just look a little bit know some girls can just whip this ribbon around and make it look like it came out of a florist shop, but I struggle. I struggle, I'm going to tell you, for real. But, okay, got my wire cut here. Just place that in there. And tie it together. And hopefully it looks alright. We'll see. But, just twist, oops. Tie my wire down. Just twist until you get your wire down really tight, because you don't want your bow coming loose like mine did. Let's straighten her out, and we're gonna stick it right to the lampshade, or the little trash can, and even out my little tails right here. And trying to fluff out my bow a little bit just to get it a little more attractive. But alright, then just take your wire right here, and I'm going to run it right through the I'm going to hide this little spot right here where I joined these two pieces. I'm just going to run it like this. I'm going to stick it right through. And I'm actually going to separate them, because then I can, and they should go through fairly easy. I think this, there we go. And then flip it over and pull it to and tie it so it's secure to the lampshade. And once that's done, I'm going to flip it over, and she is so super cute. Oh, I just love it. It's adorable. But now all you need to do is attach the trash can. That's so cute. I love it. We'll attach the little now lampshade, I guess I should say, to the lamp. So I'm going to just put this up here, and I'm going to bring it down here so you can see. I'm going to try to stick it towards the center as much as possible. I'm going to put my little topper on right here. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. I love it. I think it is adorable. It is so farmhousey. I love it. I think it's so simple and so adorable.